Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to use art command. Okay, to use art you can type ARC, press enter, and you need to specify start point like into here, second point, and then the third point. This is for the art tools. And the other option I will create a rectangle with dimension 100 and 100. Now you can type art, press enter, and I will click like from this middle point into here, and the last you can click at this point. This is for the art tools. The other option, you also can create art by endpoint and radius. Like you can tap art again. For start point I will click here, and you can tap A to set into endpoint. Click in here, endpoint. The next type R for radius, you can choose radius, and like we set the radius into 67. Press enter again. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial how to use art command. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.